What's up, y'all? B Mason, built by B Mason. Look, today I'm gonna talk to y'all about my DIY car washing cart, man. Look, if you stay in the South, I know you're gonna be able to relate to this, man. We got all kinds of snakes, possums, raccoons, mosquitoes, man. And you know, if you leave your garage open for any period of time, oh, they coming up in that thing, man. And if you got a wife like mine that complain about the garage door being up, or a mom that's on your neck about shutting the garage door, man, this is what you need, man. A DIY car washing cart, man. So that's what I made, man. I love this thing, man. It's got everything I need on it, man. It's got the pressure washer at the bottom. It's got a rack on the front. It holds everything I need. We got I made some mounts for the hoses to go on, the hose pipe, the pressure washer hose. That's the Ryobi pressure washer that I use. Nothing special, but it definitely get the job done, man. This is a 50-foot pressure washing hose, man. I didn't want to move my cart. Once I park my cart, once I pull it out of the garage and I park it, it doesn't move, man. So I wanted to make sure I got a hose that was long enough. That's the extension cord where it's plugged in inside the house right here, man, and that's the hose pipe. So once this thing is set, it does not move, and I love that, man. I can go all over the place with this hose. I got room at the top for all my supplies. And yeah, of course, I'm not going to show y'all a car washing video. There's enough of those on Instagram, YouTube, everywhere else, man. So, but I did want to show y'all this, man. I love this little thing right here. This is a TEMU special right here. So right now, I can just use the regular water on the truck, man. And then once I come in, I can flip this switch and bam, I can automatically release the soap, man. Get this truck super soaky, or your car if you got a car, get it super soaky, man. So I love this thing. It's super lightweight. Oh, yeah, but we got to have the finished product of the truck, man. I call this thing Baby D. Why do I call it Baby D? Because people see it and they say it look like a Denali, but it's not a Denali. It's a Canyon, but we call it Baby D, though, and we love it. Got it real clean, man, but what's a video without at least showing you the clean truck, man? Love that thing. Now, right now, the day is over. It's super simple, man. I'm just wrapping everything up, putting all the cords back together, man, putting them on the car washing cart, man. It's kind of crazy, man. I wish I would have had this thing a long time ago, man. It holds everything you need. And, man, it just made life easy, man. You pull this thing out of your garage. You hook up your hose. You hook up the power. You hook up the pressure washer hose. And you done. It just made life real easy. I got it from Harbor Freights, man. You can trick it out. You can add whatever you want onto it. Take it away. The sky's the limit, man. The car washing cart, man. DIY car washing cart, man. Peace.